Meaning of hillock.
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 Hillock. The word hillock refers to a small hill or mound of earth. It is often used to describe a gentle slope or elevation that is smaller than a hill. Hillocks can be found in natural landscapes such as hillsides and valleys, and they can also be formed artificially through landscaping or earthworks. Typically, hillocks are between 3 to 15 feet in height and are characterized by their rounded shapes. They can be covered with vegetation or left bare depending on the surrounding environment. Overall, hillocks add diversity and interest to the landscape, providing a distinctive feature to the terrain.